Namo Buddhaya, respected Mahasangha. Hello everyone. How are we? Are you cold? Are you cold? Hey, thank you. Before I do anything, I would love to have my brother monk, Ajahn Mahadam, the one who lost his leg during the walk of peace, to say some words to all of us here in this special moment and in this special place. Please give Ajahn Mahadam a big welcome.
อายะนะโมธัมมายะนะโมสังฆายะ Respected to Mahasangha. Good afternoon, everyone. Are you cold? But I'm cold. But all of you make my heart is warm. I would like to say thank you, Venerable Bhante Panyakara, to kindly invited me to join Walking for Peace, and say thank you to Bhante Ratanakuna, the airport of Yungdao Vipassana Bhavana Temple. His student, but he taught me a lot, and I want to say thank you, my venerable monks, who we walk together. When we walk, we very tired, very cold, and very hot, but we don't give up. And especially Bhante Panyakara showing us to be strong leadership. He walked like a run. Yeah. When the accident happened, Bhante Panyakara come to me and holding my hand and touch my head and asked me, "Are you okay, Bhante?" That moment I think maybe I gonna die. Yeah. But I practice mindfulness meditation a lot when we walk. It's very helpful for me when I face to die. I would like to invite all of you to practice mindfulness meditation. Honestly, when I walk in the first time, I don't know about the people who come to welcome us. I know only I want to train myself, train my body, and train my mind to be peaceful. That's why I want to invite all of you to practice mindfulness meditation. Like Ajahn Panyakara say, you are knowing you are breathing in and breathing out. Peace come from your mind to other, to your family, to your community, and to your country. May peace come to our mind. May peace come to our family. May peace come to our community, and may peace come to America. May peace come to our world. Thank you so much.